I will make America the crypto capital of the world.
The Stablecoin Act will be signed. This brings much-needed stability to digital assets.
Yes, Bitcoin and fades away. This is incredible. To the moon. We are imposing a 100% tariff on China. This is to protect American jobs and industry.
The signals are converging. It's now or never.
Confirmed. Initiating the trade sequence.
Volatility is spiking. This is the gamble.
Holding steady.
Execute the trade, now.
Volatility is spiking. Risky.
We hedge. It's a gamble.
Confirmed. Monitor closely.
The crashes of 2018 and 2022 loom over us. They're shadows from history's patterns, or we are doomed to repeat them. Warn us. Ignore the past, and we are doomed to repeat it.
ツマンおじ今日のニュースを読みます。NPR Trump promised a crypto revolution. So why is Bitcoin crashing? By Raphael Naum, February 7th, 2026. It wasn't supposed to go this way for the crypto industry. President Trump got re-elected voting to make the US the crypto capital of the world. Since he retook office, he has appointed regulators known to be friendly with the industry, while the Republican-led Congress has passed legislation that many critics believe goes too easy on the sector. And at first, crypto soared. The value of Bitcoin nearly doubled between when Trump was re-elected in November 2024 and when it reached an all-time high of around $126,000 per coin in October 2025. That was until it all came crashing down. Bitcoin has tumbled since its peak, and at one point this week dropped to around $60,000, lower than it was when Trump got re-elected. So what happened and what comes next? Here are three things to know. Big bets and big losses. Trump re-elections and investors' optimism about the game-changing era for crypto created excitement, but it also led to rampant speculation. Many not only traded cryptos, they also borrowed heavily to scoop up even more of them. All that borrowing juiced the profit when the Bitcoin and other cryptos were surging. But as soon as the value of Bitcoin started falling, the reverse happened. It magnified the losses. The moment that sparked that decline was on October 10th, when Trump threatened to impose an extra 100 tariffs on Chinese imports, on top of the 30% already in place. That spooked the traders, who dumped a whole slew of investment, from stock to currency. Stocks eventually recovered, and then some. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, for example, hit its latest record high on Friday. But for crypto, the losses caused by all that borrowing and speculation deeply shook the investor, reminding them of the sector's volatility. And it created a contagion effect, where the big decline spooked more and more people into selling. For crypto critics such as Ben Schifrin, Senior Policy Director at consumer finance advocacy group Better Market, the losses have been long in coming. Bitcoin is anything but safe, he said. It's the most speculative asset, and I think people are realizing that that's the case. Crypto's notoriously volatile history. The The latest crash is a reminder of the boom and bust cycle that has afflicted the sector throughout its short history. The crypto industry, for example, entered 2022 brimming with hope as the pandemic helped spark a surge in trading from the people stuck at home, leading to frenzy that boosting all kinds of speculative investment, from cryptocurrencies to digital tokens called NFTs. But then a series of events including rate hikes by the Federal Reserve ushered in a period of intense volatility that eventually led to the collapse of crypto exchange FTX, which in turn sparked a severe downturn or winter in crypto parlance. In 2022, the value of Bitcoin fell from about $50,000 a coin to under $20,000. Bitcoin didn't really regain its swagger until late 2024 with Trump's re-election. Similarly, in the months leading up to 2018, there was a frenzy of investment on the initial coin offerings, in which cryptocurrencies were sold much like how companies sell shares during initial public offerings. After peaking in January 2018, the crypto market crashed. The push to make crypto more mainstream continued. It's unclear how long the current slump will last. But for crypto investors, there is still hope because there are some significant tailwinds boosting the sector. Perhaps the most important is the sea change in the regulatory environment for crypto. Last year, Trump picked Paul Atkins, a consultant who was worked with the crypto industry, as his chair of the Security and Exchange Commission, effectively placing the crypto supporter in charge of a primary federal agency that supervised the financial sector. Meanwhile, Congress passed the country's first major crypto legislation, establishing the rules for the growing era of crypto called the stablecoin, digital currencies that allowed for almost instantaneous transfer between parties anywhere in the world. The moment represented a major legislative victory for the crypto industry, which spent hundreds of millions of dollars in 2024 to elect the crypto-friendly lawmakers. Another major bill that would determine, among other things, which regulators will oversee the sector, has stalled in the Senate. But the crypto industry is still pushing for its eventual passage. Bitcoin and other crypto may now be the midst of slump, but investors remain hopeful that the Trump administration will continue to lay the groundwork for the crypto revolution. 以上です。